how to change the watch strap on your Garmin Forerunner. Now I have a Garmin Forerunner 165, but this will also work on other models as well. So to go and replace the strap, we first need to remove the original straps. So if you go and rotate your watch onto its back, you can see at the back of the strap we have this small pin. So this is a quick release pin, and all we need to do is go and push the pin over to the other side. So I'm going to use my nail here to push this pin inwards like so. When the pin is fully pressed down, you can just go and pull on the bracelet, and as you can see, the strap has now been removed. Now once you've done this, go and do the same with the other side. So once again, I'm going to push this pin inwards, and then I can just pull on the strap to go and remove it like so. And once the strap's been removed, you can go and grab your replacement strap and make sure the pin is showing on the opposite end of this quick release. So you can see right here where the pin is coming out, we're going to place that side first back onto the watch. And then once that side is locked into place, you then need to go and pull this quick release down once again. You can then push the strap into place, make sure everything's aligned. It should then lock into place, and as you can see, the strap is now secured. So just go and do the same with the other side. So once again, make sure this pin is sticking out at the end. You can then go and place this side in first. And once this side's secured, you can then go and pull down the pin once again. Go and push the strap into place, make sure it's aligned. And as you can see, if I pull on both sides, that's how to replace your Garmin watch strap.